Hello again. Back in April, I posted a video on me coating the bottom of my mower deck. And at that time, I said I'd give you an update on how well it worked or how well it didn't work. And the product I used, I've removed it from the mower, disassembled it, I pressure washed it, and did quite a bit of scrubbing on it because the pressure washer just did not remove all the embedded grass in the material. But I would say I've got a winner here. Considering the amount of times I use the deck, 2 or 3 times a week, all summer long, the number of rocks that have gone through this, the number of twigs and pieces of tree that's gone through it, I am just really impressed. So much that I have another container coming and I will recoat this. But look at the edges here. I mean, there's nothing worn off. In the past, I've used all different kinds of products. POR 15 wouldn't hold up. But this here, this 2-part marine epoxy, this is tough stuff. Now right in here, you can see it's gotten worn off. But all in all, I mean, this is impressive. Now right here, I ground this off because I did a terrible job. I just kind of just glopped it on as it was setting up. Here's some more abrasions, but I would suggest if you want to do a mower deck and try a coating, try this. Look at this down in here. This doesn't need anything. Really impressed. And here's the mower deck all refinished. I put 2 coats of that on it, and I tried to do a good job prepping it per their instructions. I would say the only downside to this product is the vapors that you get after you mix the 2 parts. There's really only one way to do this, and that's outside. And unfortunately, I had to work inside, so I actually used a respirator with carbon filters because I am pretty sure these fumes would do you some real damage. Nasty, nasty smell. That's it for now. Take care. And I hope you do try this product. It's really good. Take care.